What's up guys, I'm Jonathan Ibarra with Ibarra's Food Truck Builders, and today we're gonna be going around the shop just showing you guys projects and updates we have in round 14. A little bit on remodeling a food trailer, how we took off the roof, just kind of redoing their sinks and refrigeration. We're also gonna be talking about a trailer that we're installing a swamp cooler on top of. These swamp coolers have been incredibly popular. Highly recommend them. They're just very, very effective, especially in the summer here in Las Vegas. When you're over 100 degrees, these ACs sometimes are not enough. These swamp coolers that come with the freshwater tanks are really, really powerful and do a lot for you guys inside in this heat. And also, we're gonna be talking about a little bit of the chassis and just the full-on build-outs, how everything is built in-house. From the chassis, we put the axles on, we built the frames up. We do not buy the trailers and then just throw kitchens inside of them. We build everything from the ground up. We do everything from A to Z, including the wrap. So again, if you guys are looking to get your wrap done, let us know. We'll help you with that design all the way until it's finished. Now let's get right into it. Let's put it in a trailer so we can get it checked out. Let me just get my forklift real quick. Move this hot dog cart. Oh, where's the forklift at? Sometimes it's easier to just do it like this instead of getting the forklift. Oh, there's my forklift. All right, so this hot dog cart, I remodified it. So Pink Box bought it out. They added the roof and stuff like that. A couple of extra things. I do have one more if anybody's interested. It's very similar to it. Doesn't look exactly like it, but I have one more. I'm no longer building these. So if you're interested, let me know. I'll put the number below. Come here, you can interrupt. Come on. I guess I can't work without my ring. Here you go. Wait, where's my kiss? Here we go. Let's do it. Don't have a forklift without brakes. I'll put that gray trailer in here. So we're having Taqueria 425 come in for a couple touches. Seems like his swamp cooler was giving him a few problems, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out for him. Probably nothing big. Never usually is. It could be a wiring problem or, again, something very simple. We'll check it out. But it is important, so I don't want them to be all smoked up, especially when they're working inside. I like how everybody grabs a brick from my wall to use it as brakes. All right, man, let's see what we can do here. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside the shop. That way it makes it a little easier for the guys to work, keep them out of the sun. I think I could at least do that for them. Let me put up the jack because it'll scrape on the ground. So close, hang on. Did I get it in there? Yeah. Oh yeah. Who else can do that without any help? All right, guys, so let me show you what we got going around the shop. Follow me. Over here on this one right here, Taco Los Barrios, we're installing a second swamp cooler. We already did his first trailer. Like I said, their cooks from this trailer wanted the exact same thing, so he brought the second trailer, and now we're installing that swamp cooler. Over here, we're remodeling a full trailer. So this is a really old trailer. Well, I think about 12 to 15 years old. But again, because they're built strong, we're just remodeling a few things that already got old. So we're redoing the roof, doing a few things inside, new 3-compartment sink and a hand sink, and just a full remodel overall. So by the time he gets out of here with a wrap, it's gonna look almost like new. All right, guys, so over here is Area 15's project. We're almost done with it. We're just finishing up the last POS system where they can just serve themselves. If you want to take a look over here, this is exactly how their other trailer is built. They have a self-serve right here. Okay, so you just come up, order what you want, and then you pick up from a window on this side. Over here, we're finishing up on this one. We have maybe about a week left. It's a big 20-footer. They'll be selling Al Pastor, which is their main thing. Coming out amazing. Look at that right there. It's a big 20-footer. And then over here, we have another Street Tacos, 20-foot trailer. This one's gonna be like nothing I've built yet as far as Street Tacos goes. This one's gonna go over on Fremont. I got something special, unique over at the end over there. I'll be showing it to you guys as soon as we get that done. Now over here, we're building another 18-footer. This is for a client who is currently renting from us at the moment. So again, they're killing it right off the back. They're working hard every single day, and now they're ready to buy. So we're building theirs up until theirs is ready, and then they'll be giving me my rental back. All right, guys, now I'm gonna go into detail into what we're doing on each of these projects. So first of all, I wanna talk about the fly net. So this is really important. In case you wanna keep your door open and you wanna have circulation, but wanna meet health codes, you will need a fly net, okay? I wanna show you guys the swamp cooler and how effective it is. Closest thing I can find was a towel, but look, let me show you guys. The swamp cooler is all the way in that corner, and you can pretty much see it from here. It's that strong, okay? It's pushing that, the wind is blowing that strong. So you need to have the fly net so that you have circulation. Now let's get closer so you guys can really see the effect of this thing. And I believe it's actually on low, but that's how strong it is. Now again, swamp cooler works with water, so it's not like it's warm air, it's cold air. I actually find some people turning it off because it gets too cold in here. I highly recommend it for the summer. It's the biggest thing. It's the only thing, in my opinion, that really works in the summer, especially when it's over 100 degrees. The ACs that we put on the wall, they're not gonna be really functional or really effective during months like June, July, and August. If you guys want good circulation inside your kitchen, you need the fly nets. Keep the door open and you will be nice and cool, at least during the summer. Now let me show you guys this big project we're doing here. We're completely remodeling his kitchen. Well, maybe not the full thing, just about 50% of it. But again, it's things that need to be done. It's just maintenance and stuff like that. We're going ahead and put a new 3-compartment sink, a new hand sink, 2-door tall refrigerator, and then a 2 prep table refrigerator. So everything on this side is gonna be brand new. We're also remodeling his entire roof. He was having a whole bunch of leaks, so we're gonna go ahead and just redo his entire roof. Also up here, we removed his old hood. It wasn't really functioning anymore. It wasn't passing code. So we went ahead and took that off. We're making a new one right now and we'll be installing that next. So this is the old 3-compartment sink that he had. It just didn't fit his new layout in there. So we went ahead and took this one off and installed the new one. Instead of the big one over there, we went ahead and put this one. It's the 54-inch 3-compartment sink. So this one right here fit perfect for his new design. And we're going with that one. So let me walk you guys inside project area 15 and then just kind of talk about the layout. So right here we have the 2 basket fryers. We have a 48-inch flat top griddle, a 48-inch chef base. Then we have a 2-compartment steam table. We have a 4-burner with oven. We have a little table right here, 3-compartment sink, hand sink. Over here we have the 2-door tall refrigerator. We have the order. We have the pickup window on that side. A little storage right here where the POS system is going to be. They'll be able to access the back through here. We have the 3-door under counter freezer, and then finally the 2-door prep table refrigerator. Above here we have not only 1 but 2 AC units. So these guys are going to be really good, especially in the summer. Up here we have stainless steel cabinets for a lot of storage. Very nice trailer, 18-footer, open all in the front, 2 big windows, 2 window in the front where you come in. Just very well set up. So again, really excited for this project. All right guys, so let me show you guys this one right here. This is the big 20-footer. They have a little bit of a different design than I do with street tacos. They have the flat top right here in the corner. Then they have the pastor machine. Mine's flipped over. I have the pastor in the corner and then I have my flat top. We got the fryer right here, 2-basket fryer. We have a 48-inch flat top, a 2-burner stove, and then a 3-compartment steam table. Then we have a little table here for the order and pickup. They did not separate the windows. They like them close together so they can just do both transactions here at the same time. They have a little table in this corner, the big 2-door tall refrigerator. We cover it up so they don't get scratched. Over here, we have a 3-door prep table refrigerator with 18 little compartments. Then we have the 3-compartment sink and hand sink here at the entrance. Looks great. And then we got the windows all the way around. One of the best designs you can get. This right here, the windows all opened all the way around, guys. All right guys, so we walked you guys around the entire shop today. I showed you guys how we took down a roof and we're gonna replace it with a brand new roof, how we installed new equipment. We got the swamp cooler. I showed you how effective it was. The best I could do that was a towel for now. Highly recommend it. I showed you guys a little bit of the vinyl wrap of everything that we do in-house, how we build the chassis from the bottom to the top. And I guess that's it for now. If you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, hey guys, one more thing. If you guys haven't watched my FNQs, don't forget to watch the video. It's right here.